Want to create YouTube shorts that grab attention and boost your channel's growth without spending hours scripting, editing, and perfecting? In this video, we're diving into 3 game-changing AI tools: Invideo AI, Veed, and NoEfforts AI that can change the way you make shorts. First up, Invideo AI, a powerful tool designed to transform text prompts into complete YouTube shorts. Here's the process in a nutshell. With just a simple idea or text prompt, refine the settings to suit your video's style. Let the AI handle the rest. In moments, your short is ready. Preview your creation.
ग्रामर की रट्टा मारना बंद करो। इसकी बजाय ये ट्राई करो। नई लैंग्वेज सीखना इतना मुश्किल नहीं है। बस 15 मिनट डेली और आप फर्राटेदार नई भाषा बोलना शुरू कर सकते हैं।
Invideo AI doesn't just stop at creation. It empowers you to refine and enhance your video after it's made. And with built-in title and description generation, it even helps optimize your content for discovery. If you want to make these shorts more captivating, you can add music to it. So, if you're after quick results with plenty of customization, Invideo AI delivers. Check out our video on the 5 best AI music generators, linked in the I button above. But what if you're looking for even more creative control? That's where Veed comes in. Veed takes the customization game to the next level with its advanced editing tools. Start by describing your video idea and selecting a visual style. From generating scripts tailored to your audience to fine-tuning the visual style, Veed ensures your videos stand out. Veed crafts your video, allowing you to refine it even further. Its advanced features let you add animations, style subtitles, and craft a polished final product that's perfect for your brand.
Learning a new language can be an exciting adventure, and I've discovered a quick and easy way to dive in. First,
the best part? Veed's intuitive interface makes these customizations easy, no matter your skill level. But what about those who prefer a simple, no-fuss solution? Enter NoEfforts AI. As its name suggests, NoEfforts AI is all about keeping things simple and efficient. Want to transform a simple topic into an attention-grabbing YouTube short? NoEfforts AI makes it effortless, delivering fully formed videos in seconds, complete with titles and descriptions. Have a script in mind. This tool brings it to life with professional touches like subtitles and voiceovers.
Practice real conversations, perfect your pronunciation, and learn grammar naturally.
All powered by AI for seamless, high-quality results. Also watch our video on Realcraft AI. This tool converts your ideas into fully animated shorts. Click the I button above to watch it now. So, which tool is best for you? If you're looking for deep customization and creative freedom, Veed is your go-to. If speed and auto-generated titles matter most, Invideo AI has you covered. And if you want an all-in-one tool with the simplest workflow, NoEfforts AI is the perfect pick. Which AI tool do you think wins this showdown? Comment below and let us know your favorite. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com.